Today we will know how to insert a table in the Word file. How you make it. Need to go to insert, menu, table. First you need to make it in the paper. How many row, how many column you need it to make it as a correct one. Let's say 5 table, 5 rooms. You see here, you see in the up it's right to you 1, okay, double 5, 3, 1, 4, 5, it's 1 on 5. You see 5 to 5, okay. It's also apply in the page when you choose it. Okay, let's back. When I insert, went from here, you see in the paper how many. It's also show you how many tables and row. So let's make it as I said, 5 to 5. Let's say here, okay, number before. Okay, this is will be all titles selected all, because you see it's small. No, I don't need small. Click on the home, okay, and choose it from here, all like 14, and all in the middle. Okay, number, name like this. Make it 1, 2, 3. It's very small. Okay, you can select it. Not everyone you need to go and change the number, no, select it all, make it like 12. Make it in the middle or on the left, or make it all from start from left, but only this column make it from middle like this. It's up to you, yani, based on which table you created, which table you designed it for. What, this is salary, this is attendance, this is what, based on you. Let's make it here address. Okay, if we write here like city, Cairo, Egypt, read number like this, blah blah blah. You see, it's big now. It's come to big. I don't like this. You can customize the spaces. You can small, not name it should be bigger. Number no need to be as this size. Okay, make it smaller. You see, and take from this one. This is one based on if it's number or small. Make it start like this. You see, now it's look good. Tab, let's see. Oh, I forget, this is 4, but I needed 5 rows. I told you. Tab, now I miss one. No, from here you see this add. You can add row, and from up also. If you come here, you can add column. You can customize. This is smart. This is computer. You need to. I give you the key, and you use it as you think. Okay. Everyone have his way. So you need to make your mind work how you use this benefits or this information to do what you want in computer. Got it? So this is the main point. I need to delete. Selected all like this. Backspace. It's deleted. Just like that. Yeah, it's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. And you can make it this table, okay, from here, and change its size, or from here make it all small or big. You can customize this as you want. Now you know how to add table, how to write on it, how to make it. You can move the table down. Okay, if you like here, like make it salary. Okay, we say it from here. Okay, select first because you already write it. Select and make it 16 salary like this, and from here take the table, make it under it to be good. It's look good now. You got it? So this is how to create table and how to write on it. I hope you get benefits from my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.